Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be working on role transformation method 2. Video 2. That should be video 2 on it. Video 2, sorry. Now, don't forget, I've explained in the video 1 of this topic, which is role transformation. I've shown you how to generate inverse, which with the help of augment of units. Like when you have A of what unit equals to, which is implies I of what of A. Now this is the inverse, this is the matrix, and here become a what? Inverse of a given matrix. That is that. And I've told you earlier, if you have been watching our video, that when you have a given matrix multiplied by what? Like when I have A, B, C, D multiplied by what? 1 is 0 is 0. It will surely be equals to, it will also be equals to A, B, C, D. That is what we have been talking about. And you can see mathematics is very simple. You can see that, I think, just follow us up. I have a problem here, which is, this is the problem. Solve 2s1 plus s2 plus s3 equals to 5. Equation 1, which is equation 1. X plus 3x2, this is 1, minus 2s1, s3 equals to 1, and equation 2. And 3x1 minus 2x2 minus 4x3 equals to minus 4, equation 3. Now, I want to solve this problem using role transformation method. As it is, I can use any comfortable method. I can use any method that I feel like. I can use Cramer's method. I can use, which also called determinant method. I can use inversion method, which you all know about inversion method. We can use what is the name of this thing? Gaussian elimination method. I think it should be a nice video after this. I have to explain something on Gaussian. It's just like row reduction and so on and so forth. You can use row reduction also, which anyone that is, we have many methods of solving, but this particular question is specific on what? Row transformation method. Now, how do I solve this? Let's see how it will go. It's very simple. Just follow us up. And before you watch this video, try as much as possible to watch the video before this for better understanding. Now, solution to this problem. I've told you earlier that we are augmenting units, which is what? A of I become what? I of what? Of A. This is the matrix, this is the inverse. Take note of that, very important. Now, I will first start by having the coefficient of the given variable, which is the coordinate 2, 1, 1, and I have 1, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 4. Now, that is my A. That is my A. I will augment it with what? I, which is going to be I is 1, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 0 is 0, 1. Now, normally, take note of this. Normally, this is what will happen. Let me do it in a normal case because of those that are joining us that are still new in this place, so that they won't be lost. Now, normally, this is how it should supposed to be. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 4, and it will be like this: x, x2, x3, 1, which is, it will be equals to 5, 1, minus 4. That is how it's supposed to be. This is how to solve a given matrix. Take note of that, very, very important. Now, I will now work on, by combining the coefficient of the matrix, which is, I combine the coefficient of the matrix and I have it as a matrix. Now, using this row reduction method, it means that row reduction method will make me to have what? 2, 1, 1, which is, I want to achieve this. Okay. 1 is 0 is 0, and 1, 3 minus 2 is 0, 1 is 0, and 3 minus 2 minus 4 is 0 is 0, 1. Now, this is the augment I'm talking about. Can you see? Can you see? Now, don't forget what I'm trying to work on. Everything I have here, what I'm trying to work on into the 0, 1, what I'm trying to work on is 0, 1 is 0, 0, A, B, C, 0, 1 is 0, D, E, F, and 0 is 0, 1, F, G, H. That is what I'm on. Now, it means all what I have here, that is known as what? Inverse. That is known as what? Inverse. That is what I'm targeting. Now, for me to do this, I must know how to do, how to reduce. It means I must reduce that given matrix. Now, it means I have to go on row reduction. Now, it means I must to turn this to 0, 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 and turn this to 0. Now, that is what I'm trying to work on. Now, if I should start now, I can easily say that my row 2, row 1. Now, I've told you that whenever you are listening, it means we are operating. We are reducing anyway. Now, that is what that means. It means I can easily say that since I have that, I can say 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, and this will be 2, 1, 1, 1. Yes, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and the other one will now be 3, minus 2, minus 4, 0, 0, 1. Now, can you see? Okay, since I have that, I cannot continue by having, the next thing I want to do now is that I want to turn them to 0. Okay, I can easily say that my row 2 will be equals to row 2 minus 2 row 1, and my row 3 will be equals to row 3 minus 3 row 1. I've told you earlier, how do I do something like this? I have my row 2. This is my row 2. And 2 row 1, it means 2, 6, minus 4, 0, and 2, and 0. I will add them together, which I'm subtracting them together. Here will become 0. Here will become minus 5. Here will become, which is going to be what? 5. Here will become, that will become 5. That will become, now by so doing that, it's very easy to achieve what you want to achieve here. That is very, very important. Take note of that. And I've told you earlier at the beginning of this part, of this course, that it's good to start from here. It's good to start from this number so that you won't have any problem, any mistake. Now, it means I'll be having, with what I've written, I have 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 0. This will be equals to 0 and minus 5, and I have minus 3. I have, is it minus 3? Yes. Okay, minus. It was supposed to be, I have 2 times 4, which will be what? Minus 4. 4 plus this. 4. That is 4. Minus 2. Minus 4 minus 4 plus, that will be, it's supposed to be 5. Is it 5 or 3? I think it's 5. Sorry. Oh, sorry, there is some tension now. Here is 2, sorry. This is plus 2. It means here is plus, here is plus. If that is the case, here will be plus also. I think if that is the case, I will be having something here, which I'll be having 3. I'll be having minus 3 here, and here will be equals to, I'll be having 1, and here will be equals to minus 2, and here will be 0. Okay, sorry for that mistake. And the next one is I'm having root 3 minus 3 root 1. Here will be 0. 3 root 1, that will be 9. 9, that will be 11. That will be minus 11. And here will be minus 10, which is I'll be having is 0. I'll be having minus 3, 1. That is what I'm going to be having there. Now, at this point, I can now change I can decide to say that row 2 move to what? Row 3. And row 3 move to row 3, 1, 2. Since I have that, I just want to rearrange it, which I have 0, 1 is 0. And I will have it 0 minus 11 minus 10 is 0 minus 3 and 1. And here will be 0 minus 5 minus 3 1 minus 2 is 0. That is what I'm doing. And I can now say that I can easily say that my root 3, I can easily say that my root 2, yes, I can easily say that my root 2 minus 5 root 3 equals to what? Root 3 minus 5 root 2, 5 root 2, minus 5 root 2. Yes, root 3 minus 5 root 2. That is going to be, hope I'm not doing something wrong. Okay, to avoid something rubbish, let me put minus here and put minus here. Let me just put minus there. And this one, let me wait a bit before I just conclude on that, which I'll be having. This will be plus, 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 minus, and plus, and plus. That is what I'm going to be having. That is what I'm going to be having. Since I have that, I can now say that, okay, if I'm doing the right thing, yes. I can now say that what? 2 root 2 equals to, it means my root 3 will be equals to root 3 down. It will be equals to it will be equals to 2 root 3 minus 5 root 1. Okay, I think something is wrong somewhere. Okay, there is a step that I'm not comfortable with. Hold on first, sorry. Hold on. I have to start. There's something wrong somewhere which I'm not comfortable with. When I change this, before I change it, can I do something? Sorry, permit me. It's a mistake. Because I'm not comfortable. So that to avoid, you have to be very careful for silly mistakes. Now, I think I have, normally I'll be having 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, and this will be giving me 0, minus 5, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 0, and here will be 0, minus 11, minus 10 is 0, minus 3, 1. Now, this will surely be root 3 equals to root 3 minus 2 root 1, root 2, which I'll be having 10. When I just have that something like that, it will be 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, and here will be 5 minus 1, 3, 1, minus 2 is 0. Here will be equals to, I have 10 is going to be 0, and here will be minus 1. I have, here will be 15, 6 and minus 4, and here will be 2, and here will be 1, 1. Okay. What else can I do now? I think at this point I can now do what I want to do. It means minus R2 can be moved to what? R3, which I will be having 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1. 1, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1. And okay, 0, 5, 3, minus 1, 2, and 0. Okay, you can see now that I have problem with this. I have problem with that, which I can say that what my R2, R3 can be equals to R3 minus 5R2. R3 minus 5R2. Now, which it will give me 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, and here will be 0, 1, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1. And the other one will give me 0, and it will be equals to 0. That is 0, sorry about that. And here will be equals to now it will be equals to 17, minus 17, and minus 11, 7, and 5. That is going to be reduction, 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 reduction. Now, since I have that, permit me, I don't need this because I have to use this space. No. Okay, let me cut this into some parts. Now, the next thing I will do now is that since I have that, I can now say that what my R3 can be equals to minus 1 over 17 R3, which I will have 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, and this one will be 0, 1, 4, 2, minus 1, minus, this one will be minus 1, minus 1, 2, I hope I'm not making a mistake. Oh, sorry. The first one is 101. Okay. 101. 01. Okay. This is going to be. And this one will be 014, 2, minus 1, minus 1. And the last one will be, I have 0, 0. This one will now be 17 divided by 1. Here will be that is 1. That will be 11 all over 17. It means 7 all over 17 and 5 all over 17. Sorry, this is going to be 0, 1. This is going to be minus 1. Take note of that. Now, I'm reducing. Now, I have problem with this and this and this. These three elements. This. Now, how do I reduce that? It means I can say that, I can easily say that, okay, I can now say that the next thing I will need to do now is that I can say that R1 equals to R1 plus 10 R3 plus 10 R3, which I have something good, and also I will have yes, R2 can be equals to R2 minus 4R3. Okay, it means I'll be depending on this rule. it means since I have that, it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, it will be 1, 10. Gabby plus that. Okay, since I have that, it will be. Okay, I think I'll make a silly mistake somewhere. I can say that here I can have what is called R1 can be equals to R1 minus 3R2. I think so that I will have something meaningful for myself here. Okay. It means that if that is the case, I will need to remodify what is given to me here, what I'm having here. That will give us, it will give me 0, 10, and minus 6, 4, and 3. 4 and 3. This is 17 all over 7. And this one is minus 7. Okay. Now, since I have that, it means that I'll be having, if that is the case, here will be, I'll be having that and that. It means here will be equals to 1 is 0, 1 is 0, 0, and 8 all over 17, minus 2 all over 17, minus 5 all over 17, and here will be 0, 1 is 0, and minus 10 all over 17, and all over 17, which is going to be minus 1 all over 17, and here will be 0, 0, 1, which is I'll be having 11 all over 17, and minus 7 all over 17, and 5 all over what? It means my determinant is what? Is 7. The determinant is 17. That is the what I'm trying to explain. Now, since I have that, don't forget that I can write this as 1 is 0, is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1 of x1, x2, x3, which it will be equals to what? 1 all over 17 bracket of 8 minus 2 minus 5 minus 10 minus 2 1 11 minus 7 minus 5. That is what I am talking about. Now, since I have that, which it can also be, sorry, I need to adjust this minus 5, 1, and minus 5, which I'll be having. We have what am I having that side, which I'll be having 5, 1, and minus 4. Now, with the help of my this thing, I can now say that my x, y, okay, 1, 2, 3 can be equals to 1 all over 17 bracket of 40 plus minus 4, 50 plus 11 minus 12, 55, 7, and 20, which I'll be having 1 all over 17, which I'll be having 34, 51 minus, and 68. Now, it means my x and y, x1, 2, 3, can be equals to, divided by, that will be what? 2, and here will be 3, and here will be 4. It means my x1 equals to what? 2. My x2 equals to 3. My x3 rather equals to 4. That is mine. Now, how do I know that what I've done is correct or not? You can check by having something like this. Pick any of the equation, bracket of what is your x1? I have 2 plus 2, I have 3 plus 4, I have plus 4. Can it be equals to 5? There's something wrong somewhere. Okay, this is minus. Sorry, this is minus. This is minus. Now, it means here will be minus 4 plus 4 minus 3 plus 4, which will be what? 8. That will be 5. 5 equals to 5. Side A equals to side A. You can try that. Anytime you solve any equation, you must learn to do that so that you know maybe what you have done is correct or not. Don't forget I'm going to be stopping here. In the next video, I'll be working on Gaussian elimination method. Once again, thanks for watching.